YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Superior X Julian, and I'm back at it again with another video. Hey, today we're gonna do a low taper fade on my client, and we about to get it in. First off, man, how y'all day going, man? I appreciate y'all for tuning in my channel. But yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna start out brushing the hair down. I do this on every time I cut hair. I brush the hair down always. Then I'm gonna take my trimmers and make my first guideline, my first ball guideline in the back of the nape. And you will see me going around just trying to make sure everything is bald, cause if it ain't bald, it ain't gonna turn out right. Now you see me going in with my low pros open to make that second guideline. So you'll see me brushing it down too, just to make sure everything brushed down and even, so I can get everything right. But that's my second guideline with the low pros, and it's a no guard open. And I did end up closing it too to get that bottom line. Now, I don't know if y'all seen it or not, but I did end up closing it to flip that bottom line out. So I'm doing open to close right now to get it out. Now I'm gonna hit my one guard close to make my third guideline. And like I say, we're trying to get everything even, so we're gonna do everything around the head, brush it down, and try to make sure everything even, bro. Now to get that guideline I put out with that one close, I'm gonna use my half guard close to try to get that line out. Now it ain't gonna get everything out, so I may have to take my no guard open and go and try to get that line out with it. So yeah, you'll see. Like I said, taking that no guard open, try to get that line out. You see me turn the chair, trying to get all them angles and the way your hair growth, this hair pattern go. But yeah, I'm just trying to get that line out. Now for my fourth step, I'm gonna go in with a one guard open. Like I said, I ain't gotta really do too much debulking, so I just went with a one guard open and try to blend it in with the hair and the back of the taper. So I'm gonna do that, brush it down, try to get everything even. You'll see me go open and closing it down. Now I'm gonna get my 0.5 guard open, and I'm gonna try to blend that line out. Now I just gonna line the back of the neck up. Is as you see, I start from the top of the neck, top of the ear, then I just make my way all the way back down, then I just correct everything until I get that perfect line. Now for the other side, I started at the bottom, then I end up going to the top. I don't know why, but it's just something I did. But yeah, it came out crispy, then I made sure everything, all the hair and stuff on the side of the hair was clean. So you'll see me just doing a little detail work from the back of the taper, from the back taper. Now to start my side taper, I'm gonna start with my trimmers, ball the line, then I'm gonna hit my no guard open to create my second line. Then I'm gonna close it to get that bottom line out. Like I said, the bottom line may not always come out when you close the clippers, but you can always come back with your trimmers and get it out. Then for my third line, I'm gonna use a one guard close for my third guideline. Then you always gotta brush your hair down, make sure everything's straight. Then for my fourth guideline, I'm gonna use a one guard open. Just gonna blend everything into it. And then I'm gonna come down with it too, with my one guard close. Going with the grain. And to blend them out, I'm gonna start off with my half guard closed. Then I'm gonna work my way up with my half guard open to blend that 1.5 guard open to it. Then for the next side taper, I'm just gonna fast forward it. Now when I do my lineups, I always comb the hair down, cause you gotta make sure all the hair straight before you do a lineup. Sometimes I put spritz on it to start a line, but most time I don't. But like I said, if I do my lineup, brush it down one more time, and I start in the middle. And I like to go to the middle and go to the right side first, cause I'm already on this side anyway. Middle, go to the right side by halfway, then I'll stop it, then I'll go back to the left side, then do the left side, come back on the right side, just tapping, make sure everything's straight and even before we do any enhancements or anything. And you'll see me spin the chair, try to do the side bars, the bars on the side. So what I do, I brush the hair out, then I hit the side, then I line it up, then I come back and make sure that line's straight so I can blend into it. Make sure no hair is missing or nothing. So that's why you'll see me still hitting the same spot every time. So I'm just trying to make sure no loose hair is hanging over. Like I said, then I go back over to the other side. Then I hit them bars. Make sure you brush it out. Then I hit the bars. Then you'll see me doing the same thing I did to the other side. Now when I start my C-cuts, I always brush the hair down, and I like to do the starting part at the top of the C-cut. Then I brush it down, hit it at the top of the C-cut again, and I transform. I'll go back to the bottom of the C-cut and try to match all of that together. That's how I do my C-cuts. You'll see that I do it on both sides. But yeah, that's the way I like to do my C-cuts. And make sure everything is clean and perfect. In order for me to get my C-cups to match each other, I like to take a comb to put it where the C-cup already started, then go to the other side so I can match it. So that will be perfectly matched. That's how I like to do my other side of my C-cup. Like I say, I start from the top, and you'll see me go from the bottom, then I'll bring it all back together. My client did want enhancement, so now I'm using my Kiss Express mixed with alcohol in my compressor, and I'm applying enhancements to him lightly. And And the color that I'm using is dark brown. I don't like to use black because I feel like it, like after it gets dries and stuff like that, it turns purple. So I like to use dark brown because everybody's hair is like a natural dark brown. So, and it blends in well. After my Kiss Express, I like to come back with some Illusion hair fibers, just dark brown, just to blend it in a little bit more to give it an extra little pop. And I do that on all sides of the head too. After I do my fibers and my enhancements, I like to take my trimmers and go back over it like a line it back up like a natural line. I'm not actually hitting the hair, I'm just cleaning it up where I put the fibers and the dye over it. But yeah, I'm not actually touching the hair, I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. Then after I get through lining it up, I just put some holding spray on it to hold that down. Hold that down. Then you'll see me. I do put my blow dryer on it just so I can dry it. After I do my blow dry, you'll see I did use the pencil. You'll see me. I put the pencil as of right now. Using the pencil, I'm using the tan pencil. Because that was my client asked for. So use the tan pencil. After I use the tan pencil, I like to go back over it with my trimmers, and you'll see in a few minutes to like kind of blend that pencil in. Cause you don't want nobody walking out with no chalky hairline. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta blend it in. Like I say, I appreciate y'all watching this video. Like I say, I'm talking, but I'm still in the learning process, so please bear with me as I teach. But yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all keep watching. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe and all that. This is the before haircut, and this is the after haircut. Make sure you like, subscribe, click that bell for all the new videos, get the new notifications and all that, so you can watch my videos. And if you can tell somebody about me, you know, like I said, this is Superior as Julian, and I'm out of here. Love y'all. Peace.